Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. This one coming at you really quick. Just a quick update, what I've been trying to do. This is my most ambitious project to date. Video on taking the governor off. I've also even got like sped up video and like little sections and stuff where I'm just going through really quick showing kind of how you do it. It's taking me forever, right? I don't know how people who do YouTube find time for this. The other thing that I'm doing, I'm in Santa Clara on travel for work. I got a beautiful view here, don't I? Train tracks, a parking lot, power poles. But I'm also working through this. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Focus. I want to post a video about this, but I got some social contract concerns. And they're just concerns, just talking points, but like, what do I owe you guys? From a social contract perspective, do we have one? By me creating and posting these videos, do I owe you something? And if I decided to quit, do I owe you a final episode? I don't know. Would that change if you had actually generated money for me through affiliate links or advertisements or anything? Hello, train. I don't know. I'm going to do something about a quick video on that. At some point, but in the meantime, look at this bear. An hour and 10, come on, focus. An hour and 10 minutes of video. Not even how long it took me to do stuff. So yeah, I'm working on it. It'll get up. In the meantime, have a good one. My name's Luke, I'm an amateur. This one's taken me forever.